Hello and welcome back to our series on Node.js tutorials. So far we have covered what is a REST API, how to create REST APIs in Express, how to get data from POST request. I have provided the video links in the suggestions. This video teaches how to upload a file or multiple files to the server. As always, I will be using Postman to make API calls to the server. Without any further delay, let's start. This is a simple Node.js project. At line number 1, it imports Express module. It creates instance of Express so that we could create routes for the project. Then we have a get method with /route. In its handler, we are returning hello world to the request originator. At last, we are making this application listen on port 3000. Let's create a new route /upload with post method where we will write our logic to upload the file. So we have created the /upload route. From its callback function, we are returning this object to the request originator. It says success true and the file is uploaded. The files object is supposed to come in req.files. Let's log it first to see what it gives. Let's open the terminal and see the output. It is showing undefined. To parse the multipart data, we have to use a third-party module. The available modules are Formidable, Multer and Express File Upload. I will use Express File Upload module for this demo. The command to install Express Upload is simple. Press enter. File upload is added for my project. Let's start using it now. Import it first. We need to use it as a router middleware, so use it like as follows. Now restart the server and see what we get. So the server has started on port 3000. Now open the Postman to make a request to /upload method. Select post from this drop down. Type your URL. Go to the body. Choose form data. Select file from this drop down. Type your key name here. In my case it is photo. Select a file by clicking on this button. So the message is same. Now go to the terminal and see what req.files has printed. So this time it has printed the file object. This is the key that we have passed from there, and this is our file object. This is the name, data, size, encoding, temporary file location, MIME type, MD5 and MV method. MV stand for move. Using MV method or move method, you can move your file from one location to another location on the server. Now let's switch back to your editor. The MV method has two parameters. The first one is the location where you want to move the file with the name, and the second one is the callback function. The callback function has two parameters, error and the result. Error has some value if there is some problem in uploading the file. Error is null, and res is some value if the file has uploaded successfully. So uploads is the folder where I want to upload my files, and this is the name which will be taken dynamically, and this file will be uploaded in this particular folder. Now open the Postman to make a request to /upload method. So now it is saying success true and message is file uploaded. Let's go to the folder to see the file is there or not. Open this folder and see the file. So the file is there, main0.png. This is the file that we uploaded from the Postman. So uploading multiple files using Express file upload is very simple. You just need to iterate through the req.files object and you need to upload the files one by one. So that's all for this video. Try creating a new app by yourself and ask for the problems in the comment box. In the next video, we will talk about how to upload the file directly to the Cloudinary or CDN. Thank you for listening.